industrial jewelry vacuum casting mechanisms near zero defects. Like this, perfect. Ready to elevate your jewelry castings to the next level? Utilizes compressed air pressure to force molten metals to rapidly and completely fill the finest details of the mold. Evacuates air from the mold cavity before casting, preventing gas porosity at its source. Results in denser castings with superior mechanical properties, reducing the risk of breakage during finishing. High casting density. If you are interested, welcome to contact us.